Hello, my name is Inel. I am 14 years old and for the first time I went to Timothy school this year. I've learned many new names of God. For example, I've learned Elroy, that means God always watches us. By knowing this name, I have faith in God to watch over my loved ones and me, to protect us and to provide to us. And I've learned many new things about God that help me to understand how God helps us and protects us from evil. I just didn't only learn new stuff, I met new people there. I've had a really good time there. I've met new people and made a few friends, and I've had a really great time there. But my favorite time was worship. During the worship, I felt the Holy Spirit enter me multiple times. Because of that, I've decided to join my local church worship team. And I'm very thankful for God for giving me this great opportunity to help Him and worship Him.